Okay, so we've all been there, right? We're told to buy this cream or wash our face with that product. But what if the real secret to amazing skin isn't actually in a bottle at all? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on your skin's master plan. It's this hidden system that's run by your diet, your sleep, and, this is the big one, your timing. So let's dive in. So let me just start by asking this one big question. Think about all the time and, let's be honest, all the money we spend on the what. The creams, the serums, all the supposed miracle ingredients. But what if we've been focusing on the wrong thing? What if the real secret isn't just what you're putting on your skin, but when you're doing it? That's the idea we're going to really unpack today.
All right, so first up, your skin's secret clock. And believe it or not, it all starts with a secret that every single cell in your skin is keeping. And that is its own tiny internal clock. It's just like your brain has a master clock that tells you when to sleep. Well, your skin cells have one too. And they're following this 24-hour cycle, a circadian rhythm that basically changes their entire job description from 1 hour to the next.
The easiest way to think about it is like this. Your skin has a day shift and a night shift. During the day, your skin is on the clock for one job and one job only: defense. Its whole mission is to shield you from things like UV rays and pollution. But then, once the sun goes down, a whole new crew clocks in for the night shift, and its mission completely flips to repair and renew.
And you can see here just how dramatic that change really is. I mean, look at this. During the day, your skin is like a fortress. It's less permeable, so stuff can't get in. But at night, whoa, the gates just swing wide open. Permeability shoots up, blood flow increases, and DNA repair, it just kicks into absolute overdrive. This is your skin's prime time to rebuild from all the damage of the day.
And here is the fact that should make you sit up a little straighter. Research has actually pinpointed a specific time, around 4 in the morning, when your skin's ability to absorb things hits its absolute peak. This is literally the golden hour for skin renewal. And it's precisely why a well-timed night routine isn't just, a good idea. It's a total game changer for getting real results.
Okay, so let's switch gears a bit. We've talked about timing. Now let's talk diet. Let's look at what's going on inside your body when a breakout happens. Because it's not some random event, not at all. It's actually a super predictable chain reaction. And a lot of the time, it starts with a single snack.
And this right here, this shows you that chain reaction perfectly. It all kicks off the moment you eat something high in sugar or with a high glycemic index. Your body responds with a flood of insulin and another hormone called IGF-1. You can think of these hormones as a direct message sent straight to your oil glands, basically yelling at them to go into overdrive. And the result? Well, it's exactly what you think. Way too much oil, clogged pores, and angry inflammation.
So you might be asking, what's the actual molecular switch that's getting flipped here? Well, it's this complex called MTOC1. The best way to picture it is as the anabolic engine inside your skin cells. And when insulin and IGF-1 are surging, they don't just turn this engine on. They slam their foot on the accelerator, cranking up both oil production and the kind of cell growth that clogs up your pores.
So the big question is, how do we stop that engine from revving so high? And this is where things get really practical and frankly pretty cool. Just look at this chart. That tall bar on the left, that's the blood sugar spike from eating plain rice. Now look at the bar on the right. That is the response from eating the exact same amount of rice, but this time with some fat, protein, and fiber added to it. Just by pairing your carbs, you can seriously blunt that hormonal spike that fuels the whole acne engine. It's that simple.
And there's one more key player we have to talk about here: zinc. It's a true metabolic stabilizer. Zinc is awesome because it works from so many different angles. It helps regulate oil and fight inflammation right there in the skin, and it actually improves your body's overall sensitivity to insulin. So what does that mean? It means a smaller hormonal spike from the get-go, so you're treating the symptom and the root cause at the same time.
Okay, so we've covered prevention pretty well. Now let's flip over to repair. When we're talking about fading those stubborn dark spots the breakouts leave behind, the most effective strategy doesn't start on the surface. No, it starts deep down inside your skin, in a layer called the dermis.
This is where something like oral collagen peptides can really come into play. See, when you take them, you're essentially FedExing the exact raw materials your body needs to rebuild your skin's foundation. Think of these specific amino acids, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, as the literal bricks and mortar for building a stronger, healthier skin matrix from the inside.
And look, this isn't just theory. The science absolutely backs it up. This quote here is from a really high-quality clinical trial from 2022. And the key finding? The group that took the collagen peptides saw a significant, actually measurable reduction in pigmented patches on their skin. This is huge. It shows it's not just about wrinkles. It's about fundamentally improving your skin's quality and tone from the inside out.
So, now let's take that internal rebuilding strategy and pair it with a powerhouse external one. When it comes to renewing the surface of your skin, there are two, what I would call, gold standard ingredients that, when you use them the right way, they form the ultimate dream team.
So, on one side, you've got vitamin C. Think of it as the protector. It's a beast of an antioxidant that works by literally blocking the enzyme that creates new dark spots in the first place. Then on the other side, you've got retinol, the resurfacer. Its job is to speed up cell turnover, helping you shed those old, pigmented cells so you can reveal the fresh, even skin underneath. So you see what's happening? One is stopping new dark spots from ever forming, while the other is busy getting rid of the old ones. They have totally different jobs, but they are perfectly complementary. And this, right here, is where the real magic happens, when you combine them in a smart, thoughtful routine.
And this brings us full circle, right back to timing. The absolute best way to use these two is with what's called a chronomodulated approach. It's simple. Vitamin C in the morning. That way its antioxidant powers can protect you all day long. Then retinol at night, so it can work in perfect sync with your skin's natural peak repair cycle. And of course, and I can't say this enough, sunscreen every single day. That's non-negotiable if you want to protect all your hard work.
All right, we have covered a lot of ground. We've talked about the skin's clock, the acne engine, rebuilding from the inside, and renewing from the outside. So now let's put all the puzzle pieces together and build one simple, synchronized master plan.
Here it is, the 4 pillars of synchronized skin health. Number 1, time your sugar. Try to eat those high-glycemic foods earlier in the day when you're more insulin sensitive. 2, always pair your carbs. Add fat, protein, or fiber to blunt that hormonal spike. 3, rebuild from within. Support that deep repair with oral collagen. And 4, renew from without. Use vitamin C in the AM and retinol in the PM. See, it's not about doing just one thing perfectly. It's about how all these pillars work together to create a solid foundation for your skin.
This entire framework really shifts the focus from just, fighting symptoms as they pop up to actually supporting the entire system from the ground up. So the final question I want to leave you with isn't what new product should I buy, but rather, now that you actually understand your skin's master plan, how are you going to sync up your strategy with the science? Thanks for tuning in.